All right, so we're gonna go through my next Airbnb. This is the kitchen area. Microwave, fridge, one burner's broken. Sink, George Foreman grill, maybe. Hot water heater. Washing machine, which I definitely need. Bathroom, newly updated. Pretty nice shower. All right, some sort of downstairs. Big living room. The bedroom. Absolutely no magic will happen there. And let's see if I can find lights to go down here. This whole thing cost, ooh, nice and dark, nice and haunted. That's probably why it was so cheap. This whole room, or this whole Airbnb cost $15. Let's see. Oh, definitely haunted down here. Oh, hell yeah, brother. Kind of a weird dungeon vibe, since there's a whip right here. But cool. A little cellar, which I will probably not come down into because I see no real purpose. Maybe this is a fire escape? Probably. Except for there's a grill in the way. Anyway, not bad. $15 a night here for the next 3 nights before I take off and I go to Lithuania. So, once again, another great Airbnb score in Tbilisi.